number 4, part 2.
Okay. On behalf of respondent, no?
Yes, my
You are
lord.
praying
In-
in both items on behalf of respondent. Yes.
No objection, my lord. I'm appearing for the petitioner.
Hmm?
I'm appearing for the petitioner.
Okay.
Obliged.
With regard to item number 11 of part 2, I am appearing for respondent number 2. This matter may be taken after 2 weeks, my lord. Difficulty.
You've taken consent.
Yes.
I am appearing
All
for
parties
the
are
appellant, madam.
11, na?
11, yes.
List on the prayer of learned counsel for respondent number 2. List the matter after 2 weeks.
I am obliged.
My lord, with regard to item 12 of part 2, the amicus Ms.
Item
Lilram
number?
Nemi has requested me to appear on her behalf. 12, item 12 of part 2. If this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
You're praying for the amicus.
Yes, my lord.
On the prayer made on behalf of learned amicus, list the matter after 3 weeks.
Daily list for motion, item 1.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this is filed against the non-implementation of this honorable court's order, which is 4/3/2025, wherein, my lord, the instant respondents have been directed to make assessment of rental compensation and thereafter to pay the rental compensation, my lord. And so far as the respondent number 7 is concerned, my lord, the respondent number 7 had made an assessment over my land. This is at page number 31, Annexure 7. Page number 31, Annexure 7. The deputy commissioner had made this assessment and forwarded the same to the defense estate officer. However, my lord, till date, no step has been taken by the respondents, my lord. That is why we have filed the instant contempt.
Who is supposed to act now?
Now, my lord, the DO, my lord, the respondent number, particularly the respondent number 4, my lord.
What has the others got to do?
My lord, so far as
Chief Secretary, Special Secretary, all these people, are
My
they
lord-
involved now?
My lord, this special secretary, these are implemented as a party because this is the authority regarding the issuance of land passes in Mizoram. That is why he was implemented as a party in the WPC.
In the WPC
Yes.
it is understandable, but at the
Yes.
moment who is going to face contempt for non-implementation of the order?
As of now, my lord, respondent number 4, my lord.
Only respondent number
My
4.
lord.
Okay, so at this stage we issue notice only to respondent number 4,
My lord.
Learned Counsel. Where is the order dated? So and so passed by this court. Issue notice to the respondent number 4, returnable in 4 weeks. This is the matter of 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps within 3 days.
Doubly obliged.
Registered post.
For admission, item 2.
Good morning, my lord. My lord, I'm for the petitioner herein, my lord. My lord, we had challenged the judgment in principle for want of law, my lord. There is an interim stay that we are enjoying. My lord, in this matter, as per the order of the last date, all the parties have been served, my lord, and represented. However, the parties concerned have seek time to file a counter affidavit, which has not been filed as yet. And in respect of respondent number 3, 7, and 9, service has been completed, but nobody has represented them as yet also, my lord. And AD card for 2 and 4 has not returned as yet.
You are Mr. Khera.
My lord, I'm Enkhera, my lord.
Hard. Mr. N. Khera, learned counsel for the petitioner, appearing online. Service on respondents. Three, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is complete. You are appearing for?
My lord,
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 10.
Ms. So-and-so appears for respondent number 10. Who remains now?
2 and
my lord, 2 and 4, they have not, the AD card has not returned for 2 and 4.
AD card in respect of respondents number 2 and 4 not yet returned. Wait. And who is supposed to file counter?
Lordship, I am
My lord.
supposed to file.
State had seek time, my lord, and the private respondents also none have filed till now.
None appears for them. Anyone? For the private respondents?
My lord, on the last date they were represented, respondent number 1, 5, 6, and 8.
Today none appears for the other respondents, remaining respondents. List the matter after 4 weeks. In the meantime, respondents may file affidavit in opposition. Interim order passed earlier shall stand extended till the next date.
My lord, if it can be fixed on 15/9/25 after 4,
Please.
I'll come, I'll be physically
All right.
15/9, 15 September.
List the matter.
Item 3.
All
My
the
lord,
same.
in this, no, my lord, there are, the orders will have to be little independent because some have appeared, some have not. In principle, we have challenged the law. Facts are different, my lord. My lord, here there are 2 respondents in total. Both have been served, both had appeared. Respondent 1, that is private respondent, has filed a reply. Respondent 2, those are the state respondent, my lord. They have not filed reply, they had seek time to file reply on the last date.
Okay, same hard. There are only 2 respondents.
In this, there are 2 respondents, my lord,
Okay.
at item 3.
So they, now one has filed already.
One has filed, we are in possession of it, my lord.
Anybody appearing for 2? None
State, my lord.
Lordship, the council.
State.
Okay. State, but state is not here.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf
Yeah.
of respondent number 1.
No, one
Respondent
okay.
number 2. And the counsel for the respondent number 1 is on legs in the other courtroom.
No, one okay, one has already filed their counter.
Yes, my lord. I am appearing on behalf of state respondent
Yes,
number
what about you? Are you going to file counter or not?
I am yet to file, my lord. I have not yet received the instructions.
That is what you need to pray for time to file the counter. Say that.
Yes, your lordship.
Ms. So-and-so appearing for respondent number 2, prays for time to file affidavit in opposition. Accordingly, list the matter after 2 weeks. Interim order in this also?
My lord, there is an interim order.
Same interim past release will continue. List on same date. Okay.
My lord, 15.
Item 4.
Lordship, in this matter also I am appearing for the respondent number 11.
11.
I'm yet
11.
to file my.
My lord, in this case, there are 11 respondents in total. 1 to 10 are private respondents. 11 is government. All have been served, my lord, and all had appeared on the last date. Meanwhile, no counter affidavit has been filed. States seek time on the last date to file their counter affidavit.
I think this has been pending quite a while for filing counter affidavit.
My lord, there was times we were completing the service, but I think last 2 dates, my lord.
Heard learned counsel, means so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are represented. Prayer is made on behalf of the 11.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent number 11 for further time to file counter affidavit. Prayer is allowed. Raise the matter on same date. Interim continue.
Item 5.
Lordship, in item
My lord,
number
there are 52 respondents, my lord, in this matter. CRP 14, my lord. My lord, nobody has filed a counter affidavit. My lord, in this case, on the last date, the private respondent who was appearing, the counsel who was appearing for private respondents, my lord, he had appraised the court that he would be withdrawing for a certain number of private respondents and he'll continue to appear for a certain number. Accordingly, on the last order, my lord, the court had directed the registry to inform the concerned private respondents that the counsel has withdrawn for them to take necessary steps, my lord. My lord, it was this order 18/7/2025.
Yes.
My lord.
Heard. You are appearing for respondent
number 52.
52.
Yes, my lord.
So appears for respondent number 52. Other respondents are not represented today. Office note dated 14/8/25 does not reflect whether the respondents number 3, 9, 10, 21, 23, 34, 37 to 40, 42 and 43 have been informed by the registry regarding the revocation of power of attorney by their learned counsel. Is there anything?
The registry has sent a notice
Okay.
to such respondents informing that the council has withdrawn itself.
Okay, it appears that registry has already sent notices to the said respondents. Okay, give the same numbers. Is there any indication whether the notices have been received?
There is no return of any card.
However, ID cards are yet to be received back. Same may be awaited. List the matter on same date in interim order to continue. First.
Item 6.
My lord, there are 6 respondents in this matter. My lord, all 6 have been represented, they have been served. No counter affidavit has been filed as yet, and state had asked time on the last day to file the counter affidavit.
Same hard, so and so. You are for
For respondent number 6, my lord.
6.
Yes, my lord.
None appears for the remaining respondents. List the matter on so and so. In the meantime, respondents may file their counter affidavits. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. 15.
Item 7.
My lord, there are two respondents. We have received the counter affidavit from respondent number 1, my lord.
You.
We will be filing we have received it.
You are for
Respondent
one.
number 1 is already filed. Yeah, madam is for the state. They had seek time.
State is what one?
No, my lord.
State is 2, my lord.
respondent
State is
number
2.
2.
1 is private respondent.
Okay, who has filed counter?
The private respondent has filed, my lord, on the last date. We have received it.
Okay, hard. So, so. Respondent number 1 has already filed counter affidavit. Prayer is made on behalf of respondent number 2 to submit for further time to file counter affidavit. Hence,
My lord, we will be filing our rejoinder.
list the matter on 15 so and so. Same interim to continue 15th. Yeah, you may file, we need not reflect that.
My lord, my lord.
Item 8.
My lord, there are 65 respondents here.
Hard, just a
State-
moment. Just a moment. Hard learned.
My lord.
So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes. Yes. Go on.
My lord, there are 65 respondents in item 8, CRP 19. My lord, we had to take all steps on an alternate address for respondent number 47 and 63, which we have taken on 31/7/2025. However, from the office note, it seems that the AD card has not returned as yet. Apart from that, my lord,
What about the rest?
rest, my lord, all have been served. Some have been represented and others have not been represented, my lord.
All the
Respondent?
all the respondents other than respondents number 47 and 63 have been served. Anybody representing any respondent?
My lord, I am representing some of the respondents.
Mr. So and so
I'm-
appears on behalf of respondents number
1, 3 to 5, 7, 12 to 15, 17, 18, 20, 22 to 24, 27 to 28, 30 to 31, 33, 35, 40 to 42, 45 to 46, 49 to 50, 52 to 62, and 64. And my lord, affidavit has been filed by the respondents number 1, and the other respondents will rely upon that affidavit.
So, affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of respondent number 1 and the remaining respondents named above adopts the said affidavit. You are for?
65 respondent, state respondent.
Okay. Mr. So and so appears for the state respondent, that is respondent number 65. Other respondents are not represented today. List again on 15, so and so. Interim order passed to continue.
Item 9.
In this case, my lord, I'm for the respondent number 1 and the.
How many respondents?
My lord, 6 respondents in total.
respondents.
6.
6. My lord, surveys have been completed upon all the respondents. Respondent number 1 has been represented, 6 is the state, 2, 3, 4 and 5, those surveys completed have not been represented until now, my lord.
And my lord, 1 has filed the affidavit.
Okay. You've got it?
I have received it, my lord. My lord, respondent 2, 3, 4 and 5, though they are served, but they have not been represented as yet.
Take that down, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5. But are not represented today. Counter affidavit has been filed on behalf of 1.
1.
Respondent 1, my lord.
1. List the matter again on 15. Interim order passed to continue.
Item 10.
And my lord, I am
My lord,
for
30,
respondent number
37
3.
37 respondents are there, my lord.
Yes.
In this matter, my lord. My lord, AD card for 17, 18, 20, 23, 25, 28, 35 has been received on 7/8/2025, my lord, 7th of this month. AD card is awaited for respondent number 29, 30, 32 and 33.
Okay.
We have received a counter affidavit from respondent 24, my lord.
Okay, heard counsel petitioner. Mr. So-and-so appears for respondent number
3, 7, 14, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30 and 34.
okay.
And respondent number 24 has filed the affidavit, which will be relied upon by the other respondents.
Yeah, you noted it down. Affidavit has been filed on behalf of so-and-so. Rest of the aforesaid respondents will adopt the same said affidavit. Mr. So-and-so represents the state respondent, that is respondent number so-and-so. AD cards in respect of respondents 29, 31, 32 and 33 have not been received by await. List on 15. Interim order to continue.
Item 11.
My lord, respondent number 1 and 2, I'm representing, then 1 has filed the affidavit.
My lord, all have been served here, all are represented. There are 3 respondents. Third respondent is the state. My lord, respondent 1 has filed the affidavit. We have received the counter affidavit. My lord, as per last order, state had seek time to file, which for affidavit they have not filed as yet.
2 will rely on 1.
My lord,
So same order, okay. 2, 1. Rest same. Interim to continue.
Item 12.
Highly obliged, my lord. My lord, permitted to leave. Obliged.
Item 12.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the revision petition, criminal revision petition, Your Lordship, filed by the Union of India. So in the last court date, notice upon the sole respondent was completed, and this Honorable Court observed that let the sole respondent be given a chance to appear before this Honorable Court or through a pleader, Your Lordship. So he's not turned
What
out
is the
today.
revision about?
This is regarding, Your Lordship, the the impugned order dated 2018-2024, passed by the learned special judge NDNPS for releasing the seized vehicle Mahindra Thar LXD, Lordship, bearing registration number AS06AE1901 in connection with the DRI case number 13 of the 2024, Lordship. The learned special court had released the seized vehicle, Your Lordship, which is used for transporting a huge quantity of methamphetamine, Your Lordship. And the reason for releasing the seized vehicle was that the petitioner, here the respondent, is the registered owner of the said vehicle, and his involvement was not established in the charge sheet. Though Your Lordship, charge sheet was already submitted before the trial court, and it was clearly established the involvement of the sole respondent, Your Lordship.
Where is the vehicle now?
A vehicle is in the custody of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Then, what are you going to do with the vehicle now?
Your Lordship, since there is an order for releasing the seized vehicle, Your Lordship, then just my prayer at this stage is that interim order may be passed by this honorable court to stay the operation of the impugned order dated 2018.
Impugned order has already been complied with. What is the meaning of staying that now?
Lordship, since if there is no stay for the operation of the impugned order, so the petitioner may, the respondent may try to take that vehicle from
Where
the
is the?
custody.
Huh?
Lordship, they have approached,
Your vehicle is not yet handed over.
not handed over. It's in our custody, and the
Where is the impugned order?
impugned order is next to the index, Your Lordship. Start from page A. And the operative is start from page E, Lordship. Page E and running to page F, Your Lordship.
So while releasing the vehicles, certain conditions have been imposed.
Very true, Lordship.
There is direction to produce the vehicle when required during the trial.
Lordship,
And
yes.
you are
that
also
was-
supposed to take the photographs from different angles of the vehicle, which should suffice. That is the law.
Lordship, that is the condition imposed by the
Can-
learned trial court.
Can you
Lordship,
show us any law that allows
the-
you to keep the vehicle till the end of the trial?
Lordship, the problem here is that along with this vehicle, 2 accused were arrested initially, and both the accused were escaped from the prison van
So,
while breaking the Lordship, the window of the prison van, going back to Central Jail from the trial court, Lordship. And Lordship, the reason for releasing that vehicle was his involvement is not established in the charge sheet, Lordship, but we have established his involvement. And subsequent incident report is also annexed in the charge sheet, Lordship. So the ground taken by the learned trial court was baseless. And Your Lordship, we have issued summons to the this alleged owner of this vehicle twice, and once he had received, and he is not appearing before the investigating officer too, Your Lordship. And he is filing this Zima petition. May I take Lordship to page 34 of my petition, that is the incident report. Page 34.
what is the name of that owner?
Owner.
Vaipe.
Yes, Vaipe. Yes, Sri Vaipe.
Sekolian Vaipe.
Sekolian Vaipe.
Yes.
And he has 2 addresses. One is in Assam. So Baragaon, Guwahati, Kamrut, Assam, which is at page 34 in the incident report, Lordship. That address was reflected in the motor registration certificate. And we have the officers, intelligence officers went to this particular address, but he's not there. And we sent another intelligence officers to the Manipur, where the Vaipe's address has been reflected. And in that address is also, he is not present. However, in the meantime, he had filed the Zima Namai, Lordship. So what the prosecution praised before this honorable court is that we need to record his statement. And he
Yes,
is
when
not-
he comes to take his vehicle, you record his
Yes,
statement.
let him come personally. This is what we want, Lordship. He has to come personally, Lordship.
Uh-huh. Of course he has to come.
And specific direction may be, Lordship, given in that order. Let him come personally to take his vehicle by himself, not through the representative.
No, he can only say that it will be released to the custody of the petitioner. We will not say other things. It's therefore thereafter up to you to give it to him or not. If he sends somebody else, don't give it. That's simple as that. Order says petitioner.
Lordship, the order says that the applicant shall execute. The applicant is the Vaipe himself.
Yes.
He has to appear before the investigating officer to get his alleged vehicle, Lordship. But instead of that, he has sent representative. So we need to interrogate him because he is the main culprit from the voluntary statement adduced by the other accusers, Lordship. Let him appear before the investigating officer.
You see your charge sheet. In the charge sheet, you have named only 2 persons, excluding the owner.
Lordship, yes, in the charge sheet,
So,
the
court rightly observed that he is not involved.
Lordship, page 23 of my charge sheet.
It should have been stated that further investigation in respect of remaining accused is continuing.
It's there, Lordship. It's at
Wait.
page 23, paragraph number 13, 14, and 15, Your Lordship. And we have issued summons to the Mr. Vaipe also twice.
We have said the vehicle is registered in his name.
Registered in his name, and his involvement has been clearly mentioned by the co-accused, Your Lordship.
Paragraph.
Paragraph, Lordship, at page 23, paragraph.
You are only saying
14,
that
a follow-up letter.
Follow-up letter in order to ascertain his involvement.
His
You
Lordship,
have not
yes,
stated,
yes.
you have
In
not-
order to verify the
While
address.
filing the charge sheet, what is to be stated is that further investigation is to continue against the remaining persons so and so. That is the thing.
Lordship, here it says
Here
that his
you-
involvement in the instant case follow-up report was received from the DRI. So we have received the follow-up report, and based on that, summons has been issued to this Mr. Vaipe. And the first summon was duly received by him, which is at page 36. And he failed to appear. And again, another summon was issued to him, which is at page 37. Lordship, my prayer is very simple regarding that, Lordship. Let the Mr. Vaipe himself to get his vehicle by himself only, not through the representative, Lordship, because we need to adduce some statement.
You need that person. There are devices in law by which to do that. You can apply for necessary processes before the special judge. In a Jimma petition, you expect this court to pass that kind of order that he must
Lordship,
appear
in that Zima
personally.
petition also, my objection was clearly revealed that, but that was not considered. And the learned trial courts had simply stated that because his involvement is not
Okay, I will say
established, he's
something.
registered, and
Okay, we'll keep it for order. We'll pass order in the course of the day. Yes, next.
Item 13.
Lords, in the last occasion, we had raised an issue of maintainability of this petition filed by the petitioners, my lords.
Lordship, this is a criminal appeal filed by the Union of India, Lordship. However, Lordship, there was some technical defect by invoking section 4192 of the BNSS. So, Lordship, due to such technical defect, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition with liberty to file afresh by invoking the appropriate section of law, Lordship. The accused was
It's a
discharged.
discharge order.
Discharge order, Lordship.
So revision will lie naturally.
Revision is lie. So instead of appeal, that
Can
was,
this appeal not be treated as a revision?
My lords, I believe there is one judgment, your lordships, if I may produce that on a later date. I have gone through one judgment where, my lords, I believe it was the appeal which was, revision which was treated as an appeal, not the other way around, my lords. If your lordships
Yeah,
grant
that provision is already there
yes.
in the CRPC. So,
and that is a procedural error.
this is
Lordship.
BNSS anyway. There will be a corresponding.
Yes.
We can't now readily recall what is the.
Yes, Lordship, this is a procedural error, Lordship, and it doesn't change the fundamental nature of the case, Lordship. If
My lords, either my
This is
learned
the
friend,
discretionary power of this honorable court.
either
Your
my
Lordship.
learned friend withdraws as he seeks, or my lords, we can get into this aspect also.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Otherwise, it is a waste of paper.
Yes.
Waste of-
Just check up if the provision is applicable.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Your lordships,
We'll
can
take
we
it after
then
some time.
pass it over.
Okay, we'll take it up tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Lordship, tomorrow.
Oblate.
Item 14.
Lordship, this IA is for condoning the delay of 68 days in filing the connected criminal revision petition, Your Lordship.
Delay of how many days?
68 days. Lordship, I have formulated the reasons for such delay, which is beyond the period of limitation prescribed by law, which runs from page 3, paragraph number 2A to G, Lordship. And Your Lordship, it seems that my learned friend has no objection for condoning the delay of this 68 days.
My lord, yes, I am appearing for both the respondents as a legal aid counsel. I was recently appointed, and my lord, yes, in all fairness, I think the applicants are vigilant at this stage, so an objection would not be required at this stage.
Mm-hmm.
An objection will not be filed on my part. The only reason is that they have approached this honorable court, likewise in the previous case. It was filed firstly as a criminal appeal and withdrawn and filed afresh.
Acha. Mr. Spencer, learned counsel for the applicant, and Mr. Spencer for the appearing for the respondents number 1 and 2. This is an application under section 5 of the Limitation Act for condonation of delay of 68 days in preferring the instant revision application. Where no objection has been filed on behalf of the respondents, and it is submitted that none will be filed. Peruse the reasons stated in the instant application for the aforesaid delay. Full stop. Upon such perusal, it appears that there was no intentional conduct on the part of the applicant in preferring the instant revision, and the grounds shown are found to be sufficient, warranting condonation of the delay of 68 days in preferring the instant revision. Full stop. Accordingly, the delay stands condoned and the application is allowed. I stands disposed of. List the connected criminal revision petition for admission after 2 weeks.
Item 16.
Yes, Your Lordship, we have received the paper book, and if the matter may be listed for hearing next week, if possible.
It is submitted that paper book has been received. Full stop. Accordingly, list the matter for This is now today, what is it for? Orders. Orders. It is already admitted
Admitted.
for hearing.
Your Lordship, in the last court date, I have mentioned that the answer given by the appellant under section 313, some portion has not been translated. So, as per the
In the paper book, it's not there?
paper book is there, but some question number 4 and 7, which was asked under section 313, has not been translated. But the necessary translation has already been done.
Has been done.
Yes. Then that copy is not served to us. So
Okay.
in
So
the
before
meantime,
that, you see,
let that
that it appears that certain questions, answers to the questions recorded under section 313 CRPC has been translated pursuant to the previous order, but copy of the same has not been served to the learned counsel for the appellant. Same may be served to him. within-
to all to the parties, both parties.
Okay, to the parties within 1 week. After that, you say release the matter for hearing.
Your Lordship, may I pray for a fixed date?
Yes. Yes,
Next Tuesday, 26 August.
Will they be able to supply within that
Exactly,
time?
that's what, Your Lordship, whether we will be receiving the copy at that time.
We have said
1 week.
1 week.
Yes.
So,
Copy is only 1 page, so it's not
Okay.
preparation.
okay,
Can be served today itself.
okay, fine. Then we can have it on next Tuesday.
Your Lordship.
Next week, my lord. A fixed date. Can it-
You said Tuesday,
Tuesday,
didn't you?
yes.
Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
26th of August.
Oblige.
The lordship passed this order into court itself for
No, does it later.
the judge. I think we have reached the end of the court.
Hearing list, item 3.
What about 1? Has it been taken?
The one is next one tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
My lord, this appeal needs to be sent to mediation because we expect that they could have settlement.
Settlement.
Yes, my lord.
You are for the?
For the appellant.
It is submitted on behalf of the appellant that settlement talks are ongoing between the parties and prays for listing the matter after 4 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
4 weeks. List accordingly.
Oblige.
Item 5.